Hello YouTube, Sam Graham here, and today I'm going to be going over the JOptionPane class that's already built into Java. To access this, you just type in import and then javax.swing.joptionpane, and the JO and the P are all capitalized. Before I go into this little tutorial, I did want to go over a quick announcement, and that is in the next 3 videos, I'm going to be going over JOptionPane in this one, the random class in the next, and math afterwards. Why? Because I created a different game that I find a little bit more interesting and diverse than believe it or not. So all of these videos are kind of lead up to this finale, and I'll teach you guys how to create this app, or not app, but program in the last few videos of this series. So going back into JOptionPane, I'm gonna, just to access it, we type in JOptionPane just like we imported it, and dot, and then the method name. And there are a lot of built-in methods inside this class. One of them is showMessageDialog. The other one is showInputDialog, but I'll be getting to that in a few minutes. ShowMessageDialog will take in 4 parameters. The first one's the location in which the box will pop up, and we type in null just so it pops up into the center of the screen. The second one's the message that you want to give your user. We'll just type in hi mom for now. And then the third one is the title. Last one's the little icon that pops up next to the message. It's a little bit too close. It'll always start with JOptionPane dot, and for now I'm just going to all caps plain underscore message. And actually I'll show you guys something kind of cool. If you type in JOptionPane library in Google and click the first one, there's so much information in here, but and you could literally spend hours if you're just new to this and learning. But for now, I'm just going to do Control F and then type in plain message. Here are all the different types of messages. You got an error, information warning, question message, but plain message, what that will do is actually just not using the icon. So going back to this, you could copy that in there and keep learning, or any of them, and it'll explain. I'll actually have this link in the description below if you want to check that out. Next thing, I just want to get a user input, and so we need to create a variable to hold the information that the user inputs. Let's just type in message, and then so we have JOptionPane show input dialog, and the first letter of any method will always be under lowercase, and the first letter of every next word following the first word will always be capitalized. So these are capitalized, the I and the D are capitalized. Here we just type in a message to prompt the user. What would you like to say to your mom? Okay, so this will get in data and sort it to message, and to print out the data, we can actually just use this exact thing and type the message right here. And to kind of explain how we could have a different icon, we could type an error for, I don't know, let's just see what happens. So the first one is the title. So I go to here. Oh shoot. Crap. Okay. Well, let's just read it from here. Okay. First one, title, and then hi mom. And then there's no icon on any side. And now there's a question mark icon that comes in naturally. Let's just say hi mom to my mom, and press OK. And then here's the error icon that we just input. you haven't, that's the basics on JOptionPane. That's everything you need to know that I'm going to be going over. But there's so much more you can learn from it, especially if you look at all this, there's so much information you can learn from. I would highly recommend checking that out and just messing around, seeing what you can do and what you can't do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave one down in the comments below. And give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, because that's always cool. And yeah, have a good day.